Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. On this week we are looking at the V50 1S index as usual. So I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible because we haven't been having a lot of movement on the V50 1S recently. For the past 3 weeks we have been entangling between 24,500 and 22,500. So let me show you what happened. So on the first week of the month of January, the first week we had an impulse move up to the upside. I think we had a move from 22,500 up to 25,500. That is about 32,000 points. However, we dropped down significantly. Why we dropped down significantly was we had to come test the neckline of this chart pattern which price formed during the December consolidation period. So after testing that, we ranged there for a bit, getting the chart pattern shifting from bearish structure to bullish structure. So let me go to the 4-hour and show you how we shifted. So we went up significantly on the first week of January. We went up, hit 25,500, a significant resistance level, came down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal lows, equal highs, lower low, and then an impulse. So we came down, we reduced price, reduced the bearish movement, and then started shifting bullish slowly, and then boom, a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour, and we started shifting higher. So however, before we started shifting higher, we came, tested the lows of this place and created like a triple bottom here, and then we are moving upwards. So why are we stalling around here? Why we are stalling around here? Because price went up very fast, came down very fast, and then we need to expand the chart a bit. We need to the price needs to expand itself a bit before it moves higher. Why? So that it will not look so linear on the chart. It will not look like this, and then straight up again like that. So it has to go like this, like that, and then range a bit then before it moves higher. So this week has been quite slow because on the weekly we have not seen our usual pullback into the 61% Fibonacci. While we are not seeing our pullback into the 61% Fibonacci, we draw Fibonacci from previous weekly swing low to swing high. We can see that the 61% Fibonacci is at 23,000, and price is not likely to come into 23,000 because if it comes to 23,000, it will violate some structures. So if price comes back to 23,000, it has already tested there, but however it can still come back down and test and give us a double bottom somewhere around here. It's still a possibility, but I'm not really seeing that to happen because if it comes down, it might likely shift the structures of this market, but it can also do that as well. So that's why price is stalling here. So what I've noticed is that price on the V50 1S index usually moves on Wednesdays. So you should expect more volume on Wednesdays. Sunday is the market open, the weekly market open. Monday we do a pull. The price does its pullback on the weekly time frame into the 61% Fibonacci level, and Tuesday it just keeps dragging, maybe form a chart pattern somewhere. If it's forming a new phase of the market cycle, but since it's already from the new phase of the market cycle, which is here, because whenever the market is going up, we have impulse correction, and then continuation. So now we are in a continuation phase, so we might not likely see that 61% Fibonacci retracement. However, you might see price come back down into this level before we start heading higher. So that is what we are experiencing currently at the moment. So for us, we are on the billionaires group. We were able to catch our entries somewhere at 22,500. You can see we have our entries there. I've already moved my stop loss to break even to secure profits, so that if price moves down and goes against us, we have no problem with that trade, because this is a market we are not we only anticipate the movements of where price will likely go to. We are not in control of the market, because you can easily see something like this. You can see price, because overall we can see price in a downtrend. If we can see price in a very big downtrend, but however we are anticipating higher movement. But if price wants to continue the downtrend, it has already reached this level. It can easily come down. You can easily do something like this and then drop lower and then break this lows and then give us a new market cycle. So that's why I've moved my stop loss to break even on this particular trade. So I'm just waiting and seeing how price will react, because price has been stalling for the longest. But I'm patient. I'm still waiting for price to go back. Why price is stalling is because of this bullish candle, which you can see right about here. It acts as an order block and it serves as a strong resistance, making 24,500 a strong resistance level, making it difficult for price to break through that level just like that. So we are waiting for price to give us some range, probably maybe come from a double bottom here, grab some liquidity from this level, and then have more strength to push to the upside. So what we can see here on the daily time frame, you can see that bulls are seeing this market. As you can see from this yesterday candle, the bulls rejected the bearish guys upwards, and then we are still continually rejecting the buyers or the sellers from pushing price lower. So I'm very confident that this price is going to go to the upside. As you can see, we had this impulse correction, chart pattern, impulse correction, resets of the neckline, chart pattern on the 4 hour, and then we are pointing to the upside. So there's no doubt in my mind that price is going to definitely hit our target. Our two targets for price to hit is 25,500 and 26,500. Then from 26,500 to 26,000 and 27 and above, this level will be likely very keen to see where price will go to, because this is the high on the weekly time frame. So if it breaks this high, we might eventually see some massive sales, some massive sales, which will represent on the monthly time frame, because you can see for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 months we have been having bullish movement. So I think this might be the last bullish movement we might have before we can see price drop further. But that can still not be the case. Price can also print bullish candles just as it printed bearish candles at this level. So I'm just going to be very careful around this price. Watch out for the chart pattern on the structures on the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame is what tells us the first level of the higher time frame structures. So we're going to see if price will break structures on the weekly time frame or continue going higher. So that is what I'm watching out for. So this rejection is kind of a sign that maybe the bullish guys are getting weaker. But however, I'm still going to watch for price to see how it goes above. I want to see a break above this week, then I can anticipate full buyers for maybe 3 months, 2 months, depending on how the structures is showing, how far we're going to go. So but for now we are still bullish. We are up about 13,000 points. We are up about 13,000 points. So we are still waiting for price to hit our take profit. So that is what I have for you guys today. So nothing much has really been happening. It's been kind of a slow couple of weeks after the first pump. So now we are just waiting for price to continue to fill this candle slowly till we get to the final take profit. So that's what I have for you guys. Really appreciate you guys for growing the channel together with me. Sometimes it gets difficult to upload the videos, but because of you guys, I have the will and the desire to keep rating this content and keep you guys enlightened and keep you guys informed about the V51X. It is my pair of focus at the moment. It's quite interesting as the structures unfold and keep printing out for us. So we'll just keep following the market trend, following the market structure, and making as much money as we can from the market. So thank you guys for following, and hope you guys are making money as well as I'm making money. I want to see you guys smiling at the bank and posting your withdrawals and getting yourself nice things and manifesting nice things in your endeavors and everything, and making a better life for yourselves. So thank you guys for growing the channel, and I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Thank you and peace.